Hello everyone! Today we're going to be reviewing a vacuum cleaner, but obviously it's going to be one of the big ones, so I have two big vacuum cleaners. One I'm going to sell because it doesn't want to work and it's a big piece of crap. Right, I'm going to put my camera somewhere. Oh my god, my camera's actually working today. Alright, let's put it down on the ground. Ha ha ha! I'm going to move you somewhere else. I'm just going to be in the way. Alright, so today we're going to review a vacuum cleaner made by Hoover in the 1930s. Yeah. I don't know how long this review is going to be, honestly. I'm trying to figure out how long it could be. I'll adjust the camera at different angles at different times. But I actually am going to review another vacuum cleaner soon. And yes, it is not an ordinary vacuum cleaner. Alright, so this is my Hoover Model 28 from the 1920s. I have the tools in the original box the tools came in. But they're up in my closet and they're brittling and crackling away and I'm not going to get them down. So I'm not going to review the tools. There is a tool though that is now useless, but it is a mothamizer and it's basically it gets the old extinct moth bugs out of your clothes because clothes back in the 30s were made of a material. Weird moth bugs that are now extinct, like the hiding test side of. So that's that. But there, let's see. I think those bugs went extinct. Oh no. Okay. All right, let's go and get started. I'm gonna put a little bit more, and then all right, perfect. This is my Hoover Model 28. Let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, the appearance of the vacuum is a little unappealing to me. This, I think, represents a knight's helmet because it looks like a knight's helmet. There is a light, but the cover is discolored, so it looks like it's not actually really a light glass, but it's discolored badly. To empty the vacuum, I'm not going to empty it because it is extremely hard to get back together, is you have to unlatch this. This is also even though there's a bag on this, it is bagless. You have to replace the bag, but you unhook this and you put it down, and then you have to take off this metal piece, and then you can empty it somehow. They didn't really think about how to do this back then, but this was the 30s, during the Great Depression. You have a red cord that seems to be replaced, actually. A switch that is broken, but it still functions. On the upper part, so let's move it up here. Rubber handle, switch. It says on the bag, to fit Hoover, because it says Hoover. You have, no, sorry about that, guys. I didn't adjust the camera. Back to the bottom. We have a little button right here that will automatically adjust the vacuum handle. The vacuum handle. And if you're going to want to so yeah, you put it down and you vacuum. I will power it on for y'all. It's a little loud and the beater bar doesn't want to work right. Well, sometimes it doesn't. In fact, most of the time it doesn't, but sometimes it'll come on and you'll hear a purring noise. Like a big old cat purring, and that's the beater bar. The cover says Hoover right there. Up here is a little emblem. Not really an emblem, but there's something up here. Where's it at? Right here? Am I pointing at it? No, it's up here. I'm pointing at it now. Okay. Y'all cannot see it. I apologize. Nope. I'm gonna turn it on, and then I'll turn this bad boy on. So there's a little bit more light. Yeah, y'all can't see it, but there's an emblem up here that the Hoover Company. It's like an emblem of some sort that's somehow still on there. Sorry, y'all can't see it. I have an air plugged in. I don't want to have to move it. But there you go. A nice rare addition. There is a rubber guard right here for furniture, even though it's probably going to leave something behind. Let's tip it over, shall we? Um, Good tip over. Yep. Ooh. I'm not taking care of my things anymore. Alright. Oh, I forgot to mention. Actually, you know, I'll do it from this side. It's be fine. Okay, perfect. This right here, you insert the tool crevice into to actually connect your tools. They will interact with the fan located under this metal plate that will redirect the airflow. The wheels, which are on the back, located right here. These back wheels, they are horrible, and they will not let you actually like tilt the vacuum upwards while it's in its upright position and let you move it because of this nut bolt right here that keeps this bag in place. There are two big wheels right here that are there for some purpose. They kind of move a little bit when you have the vacuum on. I think because they're self-propelled, barely. Under here is the light fixtures. I'm not gonna go under there, Bill, because they're hard. It's hard to get back working. In fact, it tricks me every time when I put it back on. There is a light bulb in there, surprisingly still. Doesn't work. You have the metal plate that goes to the brush roll. Here is the brush roll. You have the bristles. They're actually in very good shape. And then you have the beater bars. The belt needs to be replaced. It's very loose. But here you go. Your beater bar flash thing. Let's take off the metal plate cover. That will be a little hard to take off. Okay, I gotta remove this first. This is gonna... Actually, maybe I can just... Oh, never mind. Here is the metal plate cover, if you want to see it. It's covered in dust and looks like a T. Oh, it says right here, Hoover makes rugs last longer. See that right there? I never even knew that was there. But that was their slogan back then. And then here's your thing. I have onion pieces in here because I vacuumed onions earlier. Onion shreds. Here is your belt. It is very loose. It needs to be replaced. But there's your drive. There's your fan that is made of extremely sharp metal. But vacuums back then, when they were made, the dirt would go through the fan, and it would also get it clogged. I don't want to put this up, but the belt would kind of go through here, and then you could take the brush out. I'm not going to do that, though, just for the purpose of not getting my hand hurt again. So let's put this back on. Then, there you go. Locked in and good. Now, we will do a full demonstration. Oh, no. We have an emblem. No, we have the rating sticker. The rating plate. Because it's made of metal. Today they make them as stickers. Okay, I can't really read it. There's several serial numbers on this thing. Alright. So let's read some of this. I know you're not going to be able to see it. This thing weighs like 80 pounds, so I can't really... Okay. There's a metal plate that says 2922975, which I believe is the serial number. Model 28. I don't know what this is. That looks strange. The Hoover cleaner. Reg. US. Patented off. 100 to 115 volts. Not 120 volts. DC. To 45 cycles. 105 to 120 volts. 46 to 60 cycles. 300 watts. Patents. I'm not going to read all that. Owner of numerous other patents and applications, therefore, the Hoover Company, North Canton, Ohio. That's all I can read. I'm not going to show it to y'all because this thing is extremely heavy. Now, for what y'all have been waiting for, the demonstration. I will not be cleaning up hair. Actually, there's hair on the floor if y'all can see it. I'll be cleaning all that up. Let's plug it in. I have an outlet right there that might have hair in it. I'm hoping it doesn't electrocute me, which it shouldn't, but I have an outlet that will work with this. Turn this on. Now I'll start smelling good in here again. After I use this dusty old thing. Alright. Please don't shock me when I plug you in. Are you even on? I can't tell if you're on or not. Please don't cut on because there's a good chance it'll shock me. I don't. I don't know. I can't tell what's on or off. It's not going to tell me. Oh, crap. Please don't shock me. Please do not shock me. Oh, thank God. Okay, alright, see. I'm careful with these little appliances. Alright. I got onion pieces on the floor. It's got hair all over the back of the vacuum. Alright? Do that. The brush is rolling, but not very well. It's rolling. Now it's running. Y'all hear it? Alright, well, it was parked over here, in case you wanted to see. It was... Wait. Here, we have the vacuum now. It was over here earlier, if y'all can see. It was purring like a generator when I put it up in the upright position. It will not cut off the, motor, obviously. This is a 30s vacuum. Alright, put the camera back up here, because I'm done. I'm going to unplug it now. And then I'm going to put the vacuum back where it was, and I will say goodbye. I have one more vacuum I'm not going to review because I don't want to cut it on and then have it explode, because it was smoking really badly last time I used it. And the breeder bar brush was stuck. And it's just a pain to even look at. So I'm not going to review that other one, but I appreciate y'all watching this video. I don't know what the model was, but it was some metal. It was all metal, and it was very silver. It wasn't really painted at all, like this was. And it used basically no plastic. There was a light that you had a switch on from the back. It wouldn't automatically come on. This one would. The electrical stuff under here. Ouch. Under this thing. Oh, y'all can't see it. But under... How did I take this down? It's under... That. It's all covered in cobwebs and spiders, but it still works, so that's good. You know, there are people that make vacuum cleaners today. They don't have clips on their cord, and this one has a clip on its cord. So it just, that's actually very nice. Alright, let's put you back where you were in your confined area. Put you back where you were, and then let's put the chair back. Last video I reviewed, aside on this little vacuum thingy-majig. Pretty cool, honestly. If y'all like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you want to see more, and if you have any suggestions on what I could upload, please let me know. I am out of ideas, and I somehow actually just accomplished one of the hardest ones I've ever had in my lifetime. Thank y'all for watching, and have a nice day.